Hey guys, welcome to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be looking at the most shameless dhar mann ripoff subreddit. Let's get into it. He just stole the headline from dhar mann.
Do you understand?
What the?
Why do you always put the blame on me?
Oh bro, it's not even life-lectional.
Because fighting with you is so fun. Sometimes it just why do I have to deal with your mistakes all day?
Okay, first of all, this is kinda confusing, first of all. And secondly, why does this kid just keep walking randomly? Where are all the cameras? How are they set up? How are they even moving this? You know, never mind.
Now, I'm trying to get you to understand me.
But you should have understand your wife when you got married with them long before that. My god, you guys are such idiots.
What I hear from you is blame and criticism and blame and criticism. And you know what? I'm tired of hearing it. Just stop.
Okay, what is criticism anyway? I'm gonna have to search that up afterwards. And then, why are these two fighting over nothing? Wait, stop it, that's it you have to say?
I didn't know you were here. Have you finished homework? Do you need help with it?
I finished.
I think he was reading comics, I don't know.
Okay. Are you hungry?
I don't want any food.
Okay, marble themed.
We can't continue like this. Not only we hurting ourselves, we hurting Neil.
This isn't life-lectional, but I think I'm pretty sure the dhar mann ones have even more to say than this.
Happening.
This is just straight up confusing.
Happening. I wish.
What's this video? 8-minute long.
I wish I had superpowers and I could stop all this.
Not even a dhar mann actor. Not even a dhar mann actor would say that. All they know is that it's gonna happen. This is so bad.
Screaming. I wish I had superpowers.
I can wish the same, but not the ones that you have. I wish I had superpowers that could delete all the rip-offs and then leave all the originals as well.
Honey, how was school?
It was okay.
Great.
It doesn't even show him from the school. No, I don't know.
Daddy made the mashed potatoes with a sauce you like.
I'm not so hungry.
It's too bad. It's really tasty.
I don't know. What kind of sauce is it? Specify it. Because dhar mann would do that. These guys, no, not them.
Listen, we're gonna go in here and eat, but before we do,
EAT.
your mother and I want to sit and have a talk with you.
Yes, honey. Come.
Neil, first,
I am very upset by why they stole the headline from dhar mann. Why would you do that? Why?
to know that we really love you.
Yes, sweetie. And remember that you're not to blame for anything. You know that, don't you?
But he's just ripped with dhar mann, and then you just want superpowers. That is very wrong. You can't get superpowers. Bruh, not even from your sleep.
I don't want to hear.
Sweetie, you will eventually have to hear this, and it's better to hear it in a loving environment.
Neil, your mother and I are getting a divorce.
Dang, just because you said you're getting a divorce doesn't mean you can pause time. You need something far more powerful than that. And they're just acting. See, his hand is vibrating a little. See, they're slightly moving.
Okay?
Oh, dang, this is so bad.
Not funny. It's not really funny. You're not really frozen.
Well, it is to me. And yes, it's not really frozen because it's just rip-off acting.
Dad. I did this. I froze you.
That's not how time works. Hold on. If the time is frozen, how does the phone work? How? Just how?
Hello? Yeah, but we'll have to play in the room because the living room is a little bit busy right now. Bye.
Okay.
I'm in the kitchen. Oh my god, now what
If it
happened to your
has to pause
parents?
everyone else, just to pause his parents, how come it didn't pause anyone else?
And now it actually
I
happened.
had to skip it. I'm sorry, it was boring. I wanted to get as many videos as they want in a day.
Okay, red is mad, sis. Are you
Are
serious?
you
It's yellow. No, A.
Why are you playing Among Us in a ripoff? Can't you just be playing Murder Us instead? So that way it's more reasonable that you know you ripped off Darman?
It's always red. I'm voting red. So why'd you do it? I don't remember exactly. Just remember I wanted them to stop talking. What are you gonna do about it?
Well, if you did that, can't you undo it?
About what?
Also, if you can freeze time, can't he undo the freeze time? I mean, go back or go forward? So surely if you can pause it, you can do anything else with it as well. Just don't get too out of hand.
Who's gonna sign the school stuff for you? I'll sign it. Listen, I understand. Okay,
I'm gonna
I
continue
just
skipping.
told you they were divorcing. Listen, it's obvious. Everybody knows they won't stop fighting. That's why you froze them, right? You don't know what you're talking about. You can't
This is just straight up dumb.
just freeze zone your problems away. Stop saying those things. I know what I'm doing. You need to fake. Tiffany, don't believe. Froze you too. Feel so alone.
I'm just gonna skip it to the end.
Please.
And it doesn't mean that we stop being a family.
Yes, sweetie.
I honestly feel that the Darman characters are even
We'll
better.
put it together because we can't stop being your parents.
That's what I'm
Bruh.
most afraid of. Us not being a family anymore.
In fact, we will be a better family now.
I mean, that's kind of from Darman.
Don't you
This
forget.
is still a ripoff, which I will not cry. Right. Alright, now we're going to be looking at another Darman ripoff called Life Lessons with Lewis. 18-year-old sells virginity for $1 million. There's something very wrong with that. First of all, you cannot sell your virginity. Once you lose it, it's gone forever. Secondly, why would you sell it for that much? This should cost way more.
That little girl, because you made a deal and you can't break a deal.
Just like with virginity. You can't break virginity.
I just want to leave now. Here, have your check back.
What makes you think I'm gonna let you leave here alive, huh?
Okay, that is kind of weird. Why would you have that? It has to be making sense. This does not make sense. Why?
I mean, I just feel like your first time should be more special than that.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, my first time was the backseat of this guy's Ford Focus. It
Something bad is gonna happen. I can tell.
was gross and smelled disgusting. Oh, is he your boyfriend? I wish. Just some random older guy who used to hit on me. I gave it up
Yeah, I don't like where this is going.
way too easily. I wish I would have waited. Are you still a virgin?
The headlines. Where were they? Yeah, the headlines. They're even worse than the last videos.
It's funny you say that actually because I have been thinking a lot about it lately.
Okay.
Oh my god, don't tell me you're gonna do it. Well,
I'm just gonna skip this part. Right now it's gonna go to the life lesson. That
Okay,
is terrible.
Jessica, stop. I'm your sister. I'm only trying to protect you from making the same mistakes that I made.
First of all, how? This family is really confusing. You cannot sell virginity. You can get rid of it, but you cannot sell it.
You're just mad to see me doing better than you. What are you even talking about?
How is that college degree, by the way? You like waiting tables at the Cheesecake Factory?
Why would you get an official company in a rip-off video?
Being a real brat.
And I'm gonna watch Psycho Ex-Girlfriend Kidnaps a YouTuber.
Just tell me you love me and I'll be on my way.
Wait, is that the guy who created Life Lessons
Love me, right?
with Lewis?
Right?
Again, that stupid rewind. Why would you put that? Just put it at the beginning and then let's move on. No rewinds. Dude, this I'm just gonna see. It's the guy from Life Lessons with Lewis.
What is this?
You're trying to be Dharma, you're trying to have the muscles.
Just pure.
But no matter how much you'll be, you will not have the same skin tone,
bet you say
hair,
that to all the
muscles,
girls.
and Darman also has tattoos.
Would
So
you
yeah,
believe me?
you're bad.
I told you I've... Oh, is she now?
Yep. What's his name?
Alan.
Alan.
Alan, wait, Alan AXP, the guy who does budgies? Sadly, his Cookie died, so, yeah. Cookie's pet Budgie, he died. Still kind of sad. I wonder if they're going through the mourning or not.
Alan, you've done a good job up until now. But I'm taking over from here. I'm the new daddy.
He was the one.
Relationship starters.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
This just seems a little confusing. Just gonna go to the... Okay, next morning, what happens?
It's too bad you have to get back to work.
Right. I was bored, I had to skip it.
So I'll call you.
That just seems creepy. And the door locks. First of all, this just looks weird. All of it. But now. Another the next one? How many are there on this video? Oh god, I just heard a creepy sound in this terrible Darman ripoff.
Yo.
Stacy motherfucking Moorhead. That's
Okay.
her real name.
Okay, is he in LA? And is he talking to a drug dealer or just a gangster? Cause I do not live in LA. Yeah, I don't want to. There's a lot of bad stuff over there, like high abuse on drugs, guns, robbery. Yeah, I think it's best I not get into that.
Who, Ariel? Yeah. I did some research and I made a few calls, right? Found out her real name is Stacy Moorhead. She
That is
actually
a
was in
weird
juvie
name.
with one of my homies.
That is a really weird name. So I'm gonna watch Darman for now.
They found sugar in his gas tank. Someone put that there.
So his ex is hiding in the car.
I'll start looking for a new place to move.
Trust me, bro. I'm 2 steps ahead of you.
It's that woman. This music is horrible.
You'll be asleep soon.
I mean, Darman would put better music. I still like his intro from when the collab with S the Sniper Wolf. It's funny. Just is. Also, this is also the guy who just straight up
Thought you could just
made
use
the
me?
video.
Throw me to the trash like I'm yesterday's news?
Well, yeah, I'd throw this whole channel into the trash and watch it, buy the new Darman and stuff instead. You just got roasted.
You're mine, Lewis.
Yeah, I think I'd leave you to this. So, yeah, goodbye. Here we go, some edited Darman.
We will do that. Thank you, Mark.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Yes, finally some good
everybody.
Darman.
So, I finished grading your quizzes last night. Why don't you come on up and I'll hand them out.
Aren't you supposed to call them one at a time? Also, this is the official Darman, so yeah. This is edited, it's YTP. Hey, let me find something. Look, there he is, the main man himself, Darman. So you see. And thankfully I'm not blind, which is a good thing. So, yeah, that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you please and enjoyed, like, subscribe, and share. Ring that post notification so don't miss further content. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.
Hey, Bam.
This is himself, Darman.